I mean, you're living up to normal Muppet Tour standard. So this is the 307 hole. They want you to go that way, and then it basically right angles into this corner. You can't quite see the top of the pin, but it's basically, you just see the corner of the green there. We think we're measuring about 280, 270 to the green, so we're just going to go straight at the green. So again, it's going to measure my drives and yours is going at funny distances, isn't it? Dan's going straight at it. You just go basically straight over these mounds with a decent hit. Yeah. Over these ones here, sorry, these ones.
Come on. Oh, go on that line.
I think it's alright. He's gone a bit more right.
It's high on the face, a little bit toey though.
Right, so good chance if you're in the downslope you might ping off that though, isn't it?
Yeah, it might have got a little bit of lower. The height, eh?
It's fine. I think you'll be fine there. Green side, it might even get the green. Because that pin, it looks like it's front left again to me.
I think it is, based on like it's a good 10-15 yards between the flag and the back bank that I zapped.
Because all the pins at the moment have been quite front, haven't they? First was front.
Yeah.
Second was middle, but couldn't go much further forward than third front, like midweek.
Gotta make sure we keep drinking water today. It's quite hot out here.
It's early, isn't it?
Yeah, I like that.
Bit right. Wanted it to draw off that.
Right on that tree line there.
Oh, I heard it.
I think that might be a fraction right.
Hit rock, do you not hear it?
Yeah, but not. I don't think it's short. I think it's just a fraction
it's
right.
Just we don't know what's over there.
No. Good hit though.
Definitely pitched a bit of rock. Right, we've found mine but not Dan's, and he's a little worried about looking in Snakebill. I'm going to have a swing at mine. It's plugged in the...
Yeah, you carry on.
Like this.
I'm not playing anymore on this hole.
All square,
Once I find it here.
Square. I reckon you go, if you stay there and just shoot, I wouldn't
shoot
come...
up the top it.
Yeah, but I'm going to splash you with sand.
Oh,
I would
yeah.
stay there and shoot in. Like, I'm hitting you, I want to get out.
Yeah.
Like, this ain't coming out. This is like a plug lie with rocks and a bush.
There it is. Heading down. That's a good shot. Heading down.
Oh, that's a great shot. I can't hit bunker shots that close. It's a slope.
Well done, you. Very good.
You had to do like a step through special. I'm just gonna nub clean.
Yeah. Nub it.
I'm having a fun putt
Have a fun putt.
because putting is fun.
So is that, what's that, all flat now?
That was fun.
That was a good one. Well done. Left that short.
Short right.
Yeah.
All square, yeah. Right, this is 470 yard par 4, but I'm going to hit into like a tiny sliver, so might not find it. Dan's going to hit a 5-wood into the fat.
I'm changing my strategy at the moment.
Dan's having a little head off, and golf holidays are about winning, not fun again. Well,
My aggressive attacking plays lost me 2 balls.
we won you that Devon tournament the other day, didn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it did, but
That's purely 2 balls because you didn't hit it on the right line there. We should have gone not at the green,
Yeah.
we should have gone green side bunkers.
Agree.
It wasn't the aggressive play, it was not knowing where to hit it. More, I would say. Remember the yardage I gave you was not a slope?
Not slope, so
So if you rip it
you'll be
where I
bunker
said,
area.
you would be absolutely perfect. Towed it.
started a bit right.
Yeah, I towed it. Don't be long then. I've lost, oh there it is.
That's in the
Yeah, landed
hazard.
on the just short of the. I think it landed just short and then into the snake pit.
Yeah.
But it's just there.
Yeah.
As long as I've got any live.
Well, I'm kind of following that line, but with 5 wood.
Yeah, that's a good play. That's a good play. I get it. See, again, that, I wouldn't put that down to aggressive play. I would just put that down to a rubbish hit. I'm not banking on hitting it like that. Yeah, it's good. With 5 wood, that's the line. Very safe.
See that down?
I didn't see it, so I was filming.
I didn't quite see that. I lost that a bit.
I heard it. It sounded like
Yeah,
grass.
it sounded like fairway.
My Dan's just realised he hit a 3 wood off the second, so his aggressive to
2-7.
not aggressive play is kind of slightly confusing if anyone's following the full video. How far you
How
got?
far do you reckon that is up?
Oh, I've not seen. What was the yardage?
207.
207.
Yeah.
20 yards at the most, like 15 to 12.
Another 5 wood, isn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, 5 wood's a good play.
Up the right and just let it move with the slope.
Yeah, you just got to get it up there because I'm hacking. Yeah, big shape. That's a good shot up to the right, drawing back in. Good 15 yards of draw on that.
Oh. It's in that bank with the shadow there
Yeah.
on the right.
Yeah, yeah.
Started that way right.
Yeah, you were a bit toey, was it?
No, I felt like I struck it.
Yeah, right, just started there. Decent
Probably
shot
aimed
though,
a bit
you're
that
just
far.
chipping, you're
Yeah.
just chipping. From here I'm about 180, aren't I?
I'm going to let you go in there on your own. Alright, I'll stand here.
This is a hack ball. Such a shame. If that tree wasn't there, you could go.
What's the lie like though?
This might not come out of here.
That's like you got to deal with that weed as well.
Yeah, this might not come out of here.
I'm not sure you're going to get the height. Yeah, that is in
Got the weed.
there. Watch out for that. There's a little snake area
Oh,
there.
it is.
You be careful.
Oh man, I can't get up there. Oh, I'm a bit scared of this one. I'm going to play it like this.
Oh dear. Oh, he's out.
That's
Oh, he's
such
out.
a good shot.
That's come
I'm
backwards.
literally hitting it on the move.
You're
Don't
now
let that slope.
you're now further away.
This for birdie.
This is the
1,
game
2.
that just keeps
3.
giving, doesn't it? It's like a gifting game.
I got to rub down it for a par.
Oh dear. What have you got?
167.
Gauging it, what, 175,
It's
180?
beef 6 iron, isn't it? See if I
Yeah.
can fat this one.
Yeah.
Such a shame. Just got to pop a decent tee shot and you got nothing in. I mean, my tee shot should have been up there, and this is a
So,
6 iron.
Yeah.
It's funny, isn't it? Just when you're not playing well, you're not playing well. Right, get up. Get up. Get up. Get up.
It's well struck.
Get up. Yeah, I didn't start
See
it up
that?
the left.
Didn't draw in off.
Yeah, I'm
Pulled
glad.
over your feet slightly though, I suppose.
Well, no, I'm glad I didn't. I'm trying not to draw it, aren't I?
Yeah.
So I aimed like middle to right, and then I should have aimed up the left and moved it because I hit that fat ball. Obviously, I need another 2 goes before I know what shot I'm in. So I admit, practice is quite important.
Practice helps.
So I've hit the slope and rolled away. I'm like 70 foot. Dan's got a lovely lie. Going to pop this up. Not much green, running away, but he's up and 2 putts to go back to 1 up here. Yeah, he just popped it up. That'll just run past the pin, but he's got a birdie putt. That should actually roll back now. Watch this. It'll go back towards the hole.
Trying?
Yeah, it's good. You got 2 putts from there unless I hole something stupid.
Yeah.
Back to 1, I reckon I'll have a little fun putt. But I would take 2 from the amount. I've got a massive tier to go up and it's huge.
This place is just wow. Amazing drive in as well from Vegas this morning.
Hell of a
as
five,
the sun's
wouldn't it?
coming up. Sorry?
Be a hell of a 5.
Yeah, this would be an impressive 5. Very impressive.
Feeling I was up there at one point.
Yeah, it's just come back on you.
I don't know. Was it
Well, it
this
wouldn't
far
surprise
out?
me. That slope is pretty severe. Anywhere around that slope and it's running back to where you are, isn't it?
Yeah, it's funny.
You're giving us a bit of a out towards the edge of the green on your right.
It's coming from there, isn't it?
Yeah. That's pretty well judged, that. I mean, you'd be very, very happy with that. Great putt. Pick that up.
Good thing that was online, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was right on it. Coming in perfectly.
Didn't think I would leave that short. I gave that such a wallop. It was quite an amazing. I'll give you yours. You have a free putter.
I'll have a putt with a bird, you
A
mean?
birdie. That was some hack in there for a 6, wasn't it?
Like the slope here as well.
Yeah, massive. Stay up.
No, died on me.
Well played.
Died on me.
Easy 5.
Yeah.
Easy 5.
I like that little strategy of mine.
Get your head back on strategy.
Yeah, that was a head back on strategy.
You did definitely lose it. So Dan's gonna hit his 5-wood trying to get it, because it's right down here, probably like 250 down there. You watch that down for us, that's a very good shot. So he's hit that button and as straight as he would want to hit it. Oh God, yeah, that'll stop now, it's a bit of rough there.
Wow.
That's confused me massively.
I've absolutely ripped that. So that would have gone, on the launch monitor, that would have gone like 230, 235, the way I've hit that. So I think there's a fraction of wind behind, and then the down. So I reckon that's got to be down 20 yards at least.
I'm just going to try and get it over that.
It's either that or like hybrid, isn't it?
Yeah, because the 3-wood's going to go in the ditch, isn't it?
Of course it is, yeah.
I don't think this is going to make it, but I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to check, am I in viewfinder here?
Yeah, you're good.
So it's a 289 carry, so I'm relying on 20 yards slope.
If I was you, I'd be going to the corner of that like fairway up beyond the water.
On the right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm trying to go over those rocks.
Yes.
I just can't be
This
bothered
is.
to hit
I think this based on where my 5-wood's gone. This is plenty of club to get over that.
That was a proper knuckleball though, wasn't it? You hit?
I ripped it.
Yeah. It's a lovely flight.
Like, you hit that really. Oh,
The little Healy is cutting.
That's bunker.
You see it here?
Yeah. So it's just come down in that
Hit the
right
rocks.
hand. In that right hand bunker.
Yeah, fine.
That's fine there.
If I just struck it a bit better, so it was a bit there that.
Yeah.
So low and a bit in the heel.
Yeah.
If I'd have got it there, it would have turned and been
Yeah.
perfect. So Danny's knuckleball here has definitely come off very well.
123.
123. So I'm going to have that awkward bunker shot length, aren't I? Bugger, just strike a dry. So I think again, if you played here again, you'd probably hit driver over, wouldn't you? Like you can make that.
Yeah, I suppose it's wide enough there.
I mean, you're literally hitting, I'm going to have like 60 yards.
Yeah. I've got 123, slightly uphill, so I've not got a slope. Probably 128.
Yeah,
like that.
128 is fair. Wedge.
I've just got a wedge, and I think this slope, this green, again back to front.
Yeah.
So I don't really want to go long.
Okay. That's a good shot. Drawing in. We're not going to see it down.
Not try to hit that too hard.
Yeah, I don't know. All distance based, but it was a good shot.
How's it laying?
75 yards. Drop this off.
Okay. It's like a bit of a lip to deal with. He doesn't look too concerned, but I'm gonna really clip it and he's nipped that perfectly. Yeah, that's a really good shot. I would say that's not far away from probably my ball, to be honest. Well done. Good shot yours there.
Quick and slopey.
Yeah.
You're going to hear us say that on every green.
See, I mean, that slope behind you now, like right to your right there now, I mean, you get it halfway up there and you're back down to the pin, aren't you?
I think you're more at you though, aren't
Are you?
I think it'll go down that way.
And, yeah.
Certainly, I could see that was a backstop. I just didn't want to get up on it.
No way. You were like off the front if you're coming down off there.
So this is an interesting one.
Okay.
Well, obviously, if you can leave the flag in, if your ball was there, you'd be able to use it as a line. So I know it's a left to right, so I know I need to aim it up. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Never thought
You
about
found
it.
yourself a little.
So at the moment,
A little aid.
I'm only slightly off that line, you see.
You're almost a bit of an aiming point.
Yeah, it's a fun. If it was a straight putt, you'd just. I wonder if. I mean, I guess you're allowed to, aren't you?
You can kind of do what you like in golf now.
we always have.
Yeah.
We call this a tour. Matt's got some kind of magic that's made up, and I'm a putting god and I can't putt.
All downhill. Yeah, it's good. Just take it away. That's a good putt. Hold on.
It's just too hard again for it to do that because it's going to go sideways at the end stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you want it? How would you like it?
A lot of movement. Away's good for me. Let's go traditional for me.
Very true, aren't they?
Beautiful, aren't they?
See, I think if you go up there, so it's going down more towards you. Oh no, it's coming back to the hole now.
Look at though, look at it.
That's
you get that with a bit of spin on it.
You'd get off, couldn't you? Cheers, biggers. Right, this is 2 up and an actual win of a hole.
Yeah. Instead of a gifties.
Yeah, rather than. I mean, you're living up to normal Muppet Tour standards. It's whoever can complete a hole stuff. That's normally what me and Matt are about.
This is quite severe though, this play.
Yeah, well, all of them are, aren't they?
It will find you out.
Yeah.
No hiding. Oh, I just can't get it online.
Bit low, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Yeah, you're under borrowing everything, aren't
Yeah.
you? Just get them up there a bit more quick and slopey. Stays at 1.